Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video call. So the first thing you wanna do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to Snapchat and then click on force stop and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar right here in the top and search for Snapchat like this, and now click here on update to update your Snapchat. That's it guys, very easy and simple, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you may have to restart your phone or even remove Snapchat from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.